What is up everyone, JFlores here for the vlog. And today I'm gonna teach you how to cook some egg fried rice with some Vienna sausage. Let's go, intro. So before we start, just make sure you are subscribed because I do cooking tutorials almost every day. And never forget to ring that bell para updated kayo sa mga bagong videos ko. Alright? And give this video a thumbs up if you like it. So watch till the end. So for today, this is gonna be a part of my canned goods series and also the 5-minute series. Simpleng-simple lang to, ang dali-dali lang to. Perfect for breakfast and perfect to make use og ano yung mga canned goods nyo dyan sa bahay. So without further ado, game. That is it for the vlog, everyone. I hope you had fun. I hope you will try that at home. That was very simple, easy, ang dali-dali lang nun. Make sure to try it and let me know what you think. Have it for breakfast. It is perfect para di naman maboring yung mga canned goods nyo dyan. Just make sure to incorporate those canned goods sa tamang ingredients natin sa bahay. And please, again, if you have some requests or you want something for me to cook, or anong gusto nyong lulutuin ko the next time around, feel free to comment that. Never forget to subscribe, ring that bell, and I hope you like this one. If you do, give it a thumbs up, share it on Facebook. That is it. God bless. Peace.